Let me solve one more problem on sacrifice ratio, and the problem is going to be forwarded to you. Please go through the same. And the problem start like this. Ravi and Kiran are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Uday into partnership. All the partners agree to share profits and losses equally. Calculate the sacrifice ratio of Ravi and Kiran. The basic data so as to calculate the sacrifice ratio is old profit sharing ratio as well as new profit sharing ratio that has been given in your problem. Okay, let us start with the old profit sharing ratio. The old profit sharing ratio between Ravi and Kiran is 5:3. Is 5:3. Share of Ravi will be 5 plus 3 equals to 8. The total share will be the 8. Out of that, 5 by 8 will be the share of Ravi, and remaining 3 will be the share of Kiran. And likely they have given the new profit sharing ratio. Between Ravi, Kiran and Uday is equally in the sense 1:1:1. 1:1:1. That is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now the equation to calculate sacrifice ratio is old share minus new share. Old share that I have written on the board, and new share of the Uday, new share of the Ravi, and new share of the Kiran I have to write. New share of Ravi will be 1 by 3. New share of Kiran will be 1 by 3. And now I will write the equation. Old share minus new share. Sacrifice ratio of Ravi equals to 5 by 8 minus 1 by 3. Once again I will write 5 by 8 minus 1 by 3. 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. 15 minus 8 divided by 24. If I deduct 8 from the 15, it will be 7 divided by 24. This is the sacrifice ratio of Ravi. Sacrifice ratio of Ravi, and likely the sacrifice ratio of the Kiran. equals to sacrifice ratio of Kiran will be 3/8 minus 1/3. I will rewrite once again. 8 3s are 3 8s are 24. 9 minus 8 divided by 24 equals to 1 divided by 24. Therefore, sacrifice ratio of Ravi and Kiran is 7 divided by 24 is to 1 divided by 24. That is 7 is to 1. That is 7 is to 1. This is how we are going to calculate the sacrifice ratio of Ravi and Kiran. So here the share of Uday has not been considered. Why? Because he is a new partner. The old partners will agree to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the new partner called as the Uday. That is why Ravi and Kiran both are going to agree to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of the new partner called as the Uday. That is why I have not considered the share of the Uday. This is how we are going to solve the problem on sacrifice ratio. Okay, please go through the solution. Let me know if you are having any kind of clarifications. Thank you.